All right, this is the second video on solving logarithmic equations. Sometimes the equation you're trying to solve, the log isn't ready to be changed into exponent form, or the exponential function or equation isn't ready to be changed into log form without first doing a little algebra. Because since we're going to use the definition of logarithms and switch forms, what I'd like to have this portion log base 2 of x by itself before I switch forms. So it's going to be as easy as you see we've got this plus 5. And I want to note that it's not the log of like x plus 5 in parentheses. It's the log base 2 of x quantity plus 5. So we can subtract the 5 from each side, as you see there. Now we no longer have it on this side. 11 minus 5 is 6. But again, I don't want to switch forms yet. First, I want to get rid of this times 3. This log is being multiplied by 3. So divide both sides by 3. Now I have the log base 2 of x equals 2. So now that I've got this log with the base of whatever, now I can switch forms. So the base of the log is 2. The power is going to be 2. And that'll equal x. So in this case, x equals 4. Note that you can always check your answer and see if you're correct by plugging it back into the original. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at another example. This time, an equation in exponential form. So I'm supposed to solve this equation. What I want to do is I want to get so that I have this exponential portion by itself, where I've just got the base to some power equals something. So to solve this equation, we'll add 12 to each side. I have 5e to the 2x equals 16.25. Again, I want this base to the power by itself, so we can divide both sides by 5. And now we have e to the 2x equals 3.25. Now that I have my basic form of an exponential equation, a base to a power equals something, we can switch to log form. Since the base of the exponent is e, the base of the log is e, and we have natural log, we're taking the natural log of the 3.25, and that equals 2x. So to solve for x in this case, we just need to divide both sides by 2. Since we have a natural log here, this can easily be typed into the calculator. Just hit the ln button, 3.25, divide by 2, and you'll get your x value, which has to be rounded in this case. And if you're given a equation to solve, usually it'll indicate how many digits you should round to. But in this case, x is approximately 0.589.